So guys, Microsoft launched its brand new snipping tool with built-in screen recorder. That means you don't need to use any third-party app to record your PC screen. And in this video I will show you how you can download or install it on your system. So basically currently it is available for insiders, so you need to be join Windows Insider program, and this is available in dev channel. As you can see, I already joined the dev channel. So basically you have to be in latest update of Windows 11, right? After that you need to open this Microsoft Store app and go to library section. Just click on this get update. If there is any update for this snipping tool, then it will pop up here and you need to just install that update. You will get the latest snipping tool. In my case I did not get any update for snipping tool here. So what I did, so basically I download this file, and this is just package which will update your this snipping tool. Just click on show in folder, right click on this package and click here install, and now you will see option here update. So just click on this update and this will update your snipping tool, which will bring screen recorder in this snipping tool, which is really awesome feature. As you can see now there is the option of record, right? So just click on this record section and click here new, and now you need to just select the area which you want to record. So I just selected the whole screen and click here start, and now you can see the timer of 3 seconds, and now it start recording. But there is the issue of saving files in that file location. As you can see, error of unsupported video type, invalid file path, right? So basically I recorded again and I just save my file and it just recorded, right? So basically just click on this save option and save it, and now you just need to go to your file explorer and go to video section, and here you will see your video. Now you can see it is recorded and it's working perfectly, but it is in testing mode, so maybe in future you will get here many more options to customize your recording, right? So that's how you can get the latest snipping tool in your system.